case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a pivotal 1968 case heard by the Texas Courts of Civil Appeals, Greenwood v. Lowe Chemical Company, the responsibility towards worker safety was brought into sharp focus. The lawsuit was instigated when Rebecca Greenwood took legal action against the Lowe Chemical Company following the tragic death of her husband, Charles Greenwood, who was employed as a construction worker on the company's premises. Charles Greenwood's death was a tragic on-site accident. He was assigned to work within a narrowing space between a scrubbing tower and an open vat filled with a hazardous mix of hot water and chemicals. In the ill-fated incident, Charles took an inadvertent step backwards, slipped, and fell into the dangerous chemical vat. He sustained critical burns from the incident and ultimately succumbed to his injuries a few days later. The defendant, Lowe Chemical Company, contested the claim, arguing they held no responsibility for injuries incurred due to open and obvious dangers, such as the open chemical vat that Charles fell into. However, the court identified the conditions of the company premises as exceptionally dangerous, ruling that the company had failed to implement adequate safety measures. In a critical decision, the Texas Courts of Civil Appeals reversed the lower court's decision to grant the company's motion for summary judgment. The case was then remanded for review by a jury. This court action underscored the integral principle of workplace safety, drawing support from legal precedents including Boaz v. White's Auto Stores and Lang v. Henderson. The court's ultimate decision reaffirmed that while a worker is expected to exercise ordinary care for his or her own safety, the onus of maintaining a safe work environment falls squarely on the shoulders of the property owner. This verdict cast a spotlight on the vital issue of occupational safety, and invited further discourse on the delicate balance between worker responsibility and employer duty.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.